Hi, I'm Romane. I live full-time in a van with my boyfriend and our cat, Yuki. Come along as I try to find the balance between a desire for life on the move and a longing for stillness. We are now spending our last days here in Andalusia. We are planning to move forward very slowly because we've been moving a little bit faster than we'd like the last couple of weeks, so we really want to take a break and slow down a lot. Although unfortunately we do have a time limit for this trip before we need to go back to France. But it is what it is, and we've had such a good time here that we are already planning to coming back. Probably not this year, but as soon as the opportunity rises again. Even though we are planning to take things very slowly, we still have a couple of visits planned before we leave Spain. And it starts today with a visit of one of those beautiful white villages that Andalusia is known for. And after visiting so many big cities, one after the other, I just can't wait to visit one of those quaint little villages again. But first we have to eat, so I will get working on that. I think the biggest reason I'm loving Spain so much right now is mostly the weather. We're already being blessed with spring here. The air is crisp but soft too. I just love this time of the year because you can finally shed all those heavy winter layers and you don't get too hot either. That freshness in the air just makes me feel so energetic. Even the rain is nice. It never lasts too long and it brings out this amazing scent while making the greens of the plants really pop. It's just the perfect weather for being outside. only one who finds that that petal looks like a heart. Good morning! As you probably understood from the earlier shots, we ended up going back to the same spot we left yesterday after a little visit. We actually tried to park somewhere else, somewhere on the top of a hill that seems to have a very nice view around. But the road to get there was a very damaged dirt road, and it got very steep, and we started sliding on the rocks, so we just gave up. It would have been okay if we had a back rear driven van, but we don't, so but it's fine, we came back here because it's actually a very cool spot, and we are probably going to stay a few days here and enjoy some peaceful time to work and enjoy this place. And this morning I made myself a golden latte. I don't do it that often, but I was craving it this last few days, so I finally took the time to do it this morning, and it's really good. Today I want to take some time to do some baking. We have a sourdough starter since a couple of years, and we've made some basic things with it, like pizza dough, pie dough, or even some bread very recently, and a couple of sweet stuff here and there, but I've been wanting to make more stuff with it, and there is a lot of resting time when you use sourdough, so I'm going to start right now this morning. Okay, so that's all done for now, and since it needed 2 hours for the dough to rest, I think I'm gonna go on a walk in the meantime. From the van I can see a little dirt road going away into the mountains, so I think I'm gonna check this path. far, far distance are just olive trees. So it has definitely been more than 2 hours. So I will finish those cinnamon rolls, which I unfortunately will only able to enjoy tomorrow, because that's the thing, using sourdough you have to be patient, but it's worth it. So I am all done. I just have to wait for tomorrow now. I do think they are a little bit too small. I guess I should roll the dough less next time, but I think it's not that important. And now I think I'm gonna go edit some pictures, because I've taken a lot the last few weeks. As I've said, we have been doing a lot of stuff and I'm very late. I have a lot to go through, classify and edit. So I stopped editing because the sun is setting and I want to go check it out. I've realized that for me spring always comes as a surprise. In winter, nature invites you to turn inward and reflect. But then suddenly, the days get longer, the air is softer, and you feel like you woke up from a long, beautiful dream. Early spring is probably the time of the year where I feel the most vibrant, and I want to spend the most time outside to observe nature waking up. It's absolutely gorgeous out there. It's a reminder that even after a long and quiet winter, there is always a new beginning waiting to happen. It feels like a gentle nudge from the world, telling me that it's okay to grow at my own pace, just like those white herbs and pine trees. And I think I really needed this reminder. I am out of battery, so I'm gonna leave you here for this video. I hope you had a nice time watching it. I will put the results of my cinnamon rolls that I will make tomorrow at the end of the video though, so I can share with you if it was a success or not. I hope you enjoyed that first attempt at a vlog. I hope it was peaceful and that you enjoy your glimpse in my little words. Please leave a like if it was enjoyable and let me know in the comments as well. See you next time!